citizens are still not obligated to submit their property tax valuation forms to the Ministry of Finance. This after the state's appeal challenging Justice Frank C. Prasad's ruling last Friday to grant an injunction against the submission of the valuation forms was adjourned to June 6th. And it was learned that a second party is also challenging Friday's ruling by Justice Frank C. Prasad. That appeal was filed by the Commissioner of Valuations. But while the actual submissions did not get off the ground Monday, there were some serious claims made by one member, which the presiding judge described to be abundantly premature. Janine Brown has more.
At the Court of Appeal saw attorney Anand Ramlogan making claims that his legal counterparts were privy to information that his team was not. According to Mr. Ramlogan, they were not made aware of important developments in the case.
We were a bit surprised today because we had two appeals instead of one. So it means that the Attorney General and the Commissioner of Valuations, they've both appealed.
His client, Devant Miraj, wants the Chief Justice to intervene.
That the court itself wasn't advised of the appeal request until Saturday night. So I'm asking for a full investigation of this matter from the Honorable Chief Justice of the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago to find out how is it that the Attorney General had the information to predict that a Court of Appeal appointment was established.
Senior Counsel Russell Martineau, who led the legal team for the government, declined to speak with reporters after the matter. During the proceedings, however, he rebutted by saying Mr. Ramlogan's claims were an unfair allegation, adding that the proceeding was not the time nor place to hear such concerns. His view was shared by Justice Peter Jamadar, who said the concern was in fact an issue for the administrative arm of the judiciary, which is tasked with the responsibility of rostering hearing dates. As the day's business finally got off foot, Senior Counsel Russell Martineau asked that the matter be treated with urgency as government is being deprived of moving forward with the revenue earning tax. His reasoning prompted Justice Jamadar to question the sudden rush, given that the legislation has been existing for 8 years now with no action. To that, the senior counsel responded, saying it is far more important to get it going, given the present economic climate and a decrease in revenue. The government's team proposed that the hearings for submissions start on Monday, but with submissions being filed as late as a few minutes before the hearing began, Justice Jamadar decided against this, saying it would not be in the best interest of justice. The matter was adjourned to June 6th, where hearings for both appeals are expected to begin. Until then, the fact remains, no citizen is obligated to submit their valuation forms to the Ministry of Finance. Janine Brown, C News.